will tell you a story of the proud parrot. So let's start. The proud parrot. Once there lived a parrot in a big tree. He was proud of his beautiful green wings and red beak. One day he saw a crow. He thought how ugly the crow's wings are. He said to the crow, "How ugly your wings are." The crow said, "Yes, my wings are ugly, but it helps me to fly a long distance." The parrot came to the crow and spread his wings and said, "See how beautiful my wings are." Just then a man came there with a kid. He got a beautiful parrot and went away from there. The moral of the story is, don't be proud of something that you have. Bye guys. Thank you.